Hey guys, so in this video, we are going to be unboxing Emporio Armani Stronger with You Oud. It's an exclusive edition, and but but I managed to find it in on feelingsexy.com.au. Okay, let's not waste any more time. I've always wanted to own at least one, flanker from this line because the DNA is really good. It's so addictive and whatnot. But I've always found it to be a bit too sweet. I was waiting for the, right version, right flanker. And when I read reviews of this, I found that this is not like as sweet as the other flankers. So I thought, yeah, why not? But I'm buying all of these fragrances in the wrong season. So I'll have to wait for the right season. It's summer here, so this is the, what do you call that, the batch code or whatever. If anyone is interested, it's an order perform looks like, and it's stronger with you oud. So that's the cap logo. Hey. All right, let me go ahead and spray this. Ah, I can already smell the oud. Mm. Yeah, it actually smells very designery. There's a certain, barbershoppy facet to it for sure. It does remind me of this Boss bottle oud, like, because I watched a lot of reviews before buying it, but it doesn't. I don't feel it has the stronger with the DNA for some reason. The main reason I bought this, like, otherwise I would have bought like Boss bottle oud, isn't it? Wow. So this one, there's definitely oud in it, like this kind of really friendly oud, a designery kind of oud. You spray here. So at this point in my journey, I've tried a lot of ouds, and I'm a huge fan of oud, but only a certain kind of oud. Like, I'm not really a big fan of this oud rose combo. That kind of oud, I'm not a big fan, and oud musk combo, that also I'm not a big fan. Any other kind of oud, like the very woody ouds and, fruity ouds also to a certain extent, I like. But if it gets really really fruity, then I probably won't like it. This one, man. Oh. I think maybe I should have bought the stronger with your leather instead, because this doesn't seem to have the stronger with you DNA. This smells like your typical generic mainstream oud fragrance, not necessarily a flanker of stronger with you. You know what I mean? I'm not saying it smells bad or anything. It smells okay. It smells good. Like for a oud, it smells okay. But the reason I bought this over other designer ouds, like, see, I have other options, right? You have Versace Oud Noir, which also gets compared to this fragrance, and Boss Bottle Oud. But the reason I got this is, but I'll see in the dry run how it is. But for now, I am kind of disappointed. Hmm, maybe I should have bought Stronger with Your Leather. If anyone has Stronger with Your Leather, let me know if. Okay, hold on. So even in the note breakdown for Stronger with the Oud, I only see like three notes, three or four notes. Wait a minute. So we have this lavender, lavender extract, oud, and vanilla. That's it. Whereas for Stronger with the Leather, you have chestnut spices, elamai, sage, lavender, vanilla. Now, I don't think this should have been like a stronger with you flanker. It is just some mainstream generic oud. That's it. Unless I see some transformation in the dry down, which I don't think is gonna happen. Man, maybe I'll sell this off, huh? All right, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.